Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kids Learn Zone. Today my topic is I have sentences for kids. I have two sisters. I have a garden with colorful flowers. I have a photo album full of happy memories. I have a kite that I love flying on windy days. I have a puzzle with 1,000 pieces. I have a bag. I have a box of delicious chocolates. I have a red bicycle. I have a pen. I have a teddy bear. I have a books in my cupboard. I have a balloons. I have a pet. I have a candy. I have a plants. I have an apple. I-H-A-V-E. I have. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.